In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add an admin to your Google Analytics account. So you're going to want to come to analytics.google.com and either sign in with your Google account, or if you're already signed in, you're going to get something that looks like this. If you're not on the right website, you can just come up here to Accounts, choose the account, and then choose which website you want to be on. Once you're on the right one, you're going to come down here to the Admin on the left-hand panel and click Admin. And then you're going to go to Account Access Management. And then you're going to do the plus button, add users. And then if you're adding me, you're just going to want to do Cara@carawolfdesign.com and give me full administrator access. Click add. I'll get an email giving me the invite, and then I'll have access. If at any point you want to remove me, you would just come back in here. I'm going to go ahead and not save that. You would just come back in here, click the three dots, and you could remove me from your list. Let me know if you have questions.